Welcome to my channel, The Drama Discussion. Today I'll be discussing some of amazing one-sided love C-dramas. So starting with number 13. Everyone Loves Me. Newly graduated classmates Gu Exuen and Qian Ling are reunited when they both find work at a gaming company. The sweet and adorable Qian Ling has long held feelings for Gu Exuen, so she is devastated when she confesses only to be cruelly rejected. Gu Exuen is in love with a tough-talking, no-nonsense female gamer who goes by the online handle No Mixio Mahua. However, Qian Ling and No Mixio Mahua are actually the same person, with the latter taking on a very different personality when she starts gaming. What will happen when Gu Exuen learns the truth about No Mixio Mahua's true identity? Newly graduated classmates. Number 12. A Date with the Future. A decade ago, a deadly earthquake almost claimed the life of a high school girl named Xu Lei. It was only the quick thinking and bravery of a young firefighter, Jin Shichun, that saved her. As he rescued her from the falling rubble, she became smitten with him as they made a comforting promise, and when they parted, she resolved to seek him out at all costs. Now, 10 years later, Jin Shichun has risen to the rank of captain. Xu Lei has become a news reporter. When a fire breaks out at a chemical plant, Jin Shichun comes to the rescue once again. While she recognizes him right away, he does not do likewise and thinks she is just a troublemaking reporter. To make matters worse, her report is taken out of context, leading many social media posters to criticize the fire department. But Xu Lei's love for him has not diminished, and she resolves to fix this and win his heart at all costs. She becomes a dog trainer, helping train special firefighting canines who can help rescuers in their efforts. This brings her closer to Jin Shichun. But he carries deep scars from past hurt. Can Xu Lei's love help mend the pain? Number 11. Men in Love. The story depicts men and women in their 30s explore love, dating, and commitment, which they realize doesn't get any easier with age. Meanwhile, friendships are also tested under various circumstances. The drama has multiple couples with their own stories to tell. Number 10. A Little Thing Called First Love. The story of an ordinary girl who falls head over heels for the most popular guy in school. Exaye Meow Meow is a shy, artistic student who develops a crush on a handsome, talented senior in her school and embarks on a journey of self-discovery through college. Because of lying union, Exaye Meow Meow decides to make a change. Through the help of her friends, she starts to learn about fashion, join school clubs, and study hard to raise her grades. Her ordinary life becomes more colorful by the day. Number 9. You Are My Destiny. On a cruise ship headed for the Bahamas, two individuals from contrasting worlds cross paths, setting the course for their intertwined destinies. Timid and unassertive administrative assistant, Chen Jia Exayan, encounters the handsome, cultured, and charming Wang Shiyi, heir to a major toiletries conglomerate. A mix-up in identities complicates their spontaneous one-night stand, leading to further interactions upon returning ashore. Family pressures arise when Jia Exayan becomes pregnant, leading to an arranged marriage with a divorce clause. The child will remain with Shiyi, who intends to wed his longtime girlfriend, the dancer Shi Anna. But Chen Jiaxin lost her baby with Wang Xivii, after which she left him and went back to Hungary where they first met. 7 years later, she is now an accomplished potter and a kick-ass girl, no longer the posted girl. She met Wang Shiyi again, who is now more mature and ready to start over. Number 8. A Love So Beautiful. It starts off with high school classmates Chen Xioshi and Jiang Chen, who are also neighbors. Xioshi, a cheerful girl who doesn't study much, is expressive about her admiration towards Jiang Chen, the popular guy known for his looks and high grades. Together with their fellow classmates the funny Lu Yang, athletic but loyal Jing Xio, and cool swimming team member W Bo Song, they embark on high school life to university until their adult life. It's number 7. Unrequited Love. The story depicts the perspectives of an astute, introverted, brilliant Luo Ji's long crush on the almost perfect Sheng Huinan and the incidents that lead them to each other. After years of misses, fate favors both despite unending roadblocks. The meddling of others makes things complicated and a series of misunderstandings threaten to ruin everything. Can these reunited friends overcome the challenges? Number 6. Cute Programmer. After falling in love with genius programmer Jiang Yicheng, Luli enrolls into the school he once studied at, and also took up the same major computer programming. Setting Jiang Yicheng as her role model in her heart, she achieves good grades in school. However, after graduation, she did not expect that Jiang Yicheng's company does not recruit female employees. Luli decides to disguise as a man and enter the company. However, she met difficulty both in dealing with Jiang Yicheng's demands as well as hiding her identity. Finally, with her perseverance, she grabbed hold of an opportunity and managed to come to an agreement with Jiang Yicheng. The two would become a contract couple and stay together for 1 year. Slowly, Jiang Yicheng finds himself falling for Luli. Number 5. Go Squid. A former legend in the CTF cybersecurity esports world, had long retired to set up his own esports club, K&K, to train a group of young teenage boys as professional esports athletes. One evening, after a K&K loss at a CTF competition, Shang Yan walks into an internet cafe to cool off. A computer science genius and part-time online singer, Tong Nian had been helping her cousin man his internet cafe one evening when Shang Yan walks in and she immediately falls for him at first sight. Usually brave, outgoing, and having tens of thousands of followers from singing covers online, she finds herself wanting to get close to him and makes several clumsy attempts to do so. A further series of coincidences and misunderstandings throw the both of them together, and, as Shang Yan slowly starts to soften towards her, Tong Nian also finds herself getting involved in K&K's activities and the world of professional esports, even uncovering the past about Shang Yan and the reason for his sudden retirement from the esports world. Number 4. Meteor Garden. An ordinary girl is admitted to the most prestigious school in the country, where she encounters F4, an exclusive group comprised of the 4 wealthiest and most handsome boys in the school, Dao Mingxi, Hua Zilei, Shi Men, and Meizuo. Shan Cai is an 18-year-old girl from a family that's barely able to make ends meet. Due to a turn of events, she gets accepted into a school that only accepts upper-class elites. She immediately clashes with her classmates, especially Dao Mingxi, who is spoiled, arrogant, and a bully. She remains defiant even after becoming a target of a series of pranks intended to torment her, and just when she's about to give up, Hua Zilei always seems to show up to lend her a helping hand. Eventually, the 4 boys begin to acknowledge Shan Cai's unyielding personality, which is like her namesake, which is that of a weed that can never be brought down. She also begins to see the good in the boys, which paves the way for friendship and an eventual romance. Number 3. A river runs through it. Transferring to a new school right before the national college entrance exams was not part of Xiao Ju's plan. But when life demanded that she do exactly that, the only thing she could do was try to make the best of it. Feeling completely flustered in her new surroundings, settling in was difficult at best, but when a misunderstanding brings an unexpected group of classmates into her life, things for Xiao Ju finally start to look up. Now surrounded by a group of friends, including the compassionate Cheng Lang, the straightforward Lu Shiyi, the frequently dazed Qiuyue Tao, and her new best friend Lin Yu, Xiao Ju feels ready to take on whatever life throws at her next. Tackling the college entrance exams with her friends at her side, Xiao Ju is certain she can take on anything. But after starting university, Xiao Ju's confidence is put to the ultimate test when she realizes that the boy she loves only has eyes for Lin Yu. Struggling to make sense of the complicated world of love and friendship, Xiao Ju relies heavily on the strength and support of Shiyi. Little does she realize that Shiyi has developed rather strong feelings for her. Will her longing for another keep her blind to the love before her, or will Shiyi's patience pay off in the end? Number 2. You Are My Glory. A story follows an aerospace engineer Wahyu Tu and the shining star Qiao Jingjing. A decision is made to start gaming in order to save her endorsement deal brings her face to face with an old crush. As they grow closer, the two forge ahead to become each other's glory. Being a well-known celebrity, Qiao Jingjing has to keep up with appearances in order to maintain her multi-facet image. Alas, one starts to crack when someone leaks a video of her playing an online game and being terrible at it, which is completely inconsistent with the image she has created for herself as the game's ambassador. Thus, she joins a gaming competition to prove her skills and to prevent herself from losing her endorsements. Qiao Jingjing decides to use all of her free time towards improving her game, and her decision leads her to reconnect with her old high school classmate, Wang Tu, whom she once had a crush on. He was a legend at their school, outstanding in everything that he does, while Qiao Jingjing was just your average girl. Wang Tu went on to become an aerospace engineer who is also an expert gamer. It seems that the online game brought them together once more, so she asks him to become her gaming coach. Number 1. Hidden Love. The story revolved around Sangji, a young girl who falls in love with Duan Jiaqiu, the boy who often comes to her house to play games in her older brother's room. He is 5 years older than her. Sangji had a crush on Duan Jiaqiu when she was young, but they lost contact with each other for some reason. After she graduates, she joins the university in the city he is in, and during their day-to-day intimate and close interaction, they slowly fall in love.